So I have this promo code. It's real, it's working, and yes, it's still active as I'm recording this. But let's hold on for just a second. Let me first show you exactly how this thing works, or the code won't even make sense. I open my browser, type in the name, no redirects, no third-party sites. It opens directly inside the messenger. And it doesn't look like much at first. But when you tap through the first few screens, you realize this isn't some low-effort script. It's a proper structured tool with logic, routing, real-time responses, and even minor UI animations. So I launched the assistant. While it's syncing, and yeah, there's a short delay, maybe 20-30 seconds, let me explain what's happening behind the scenes. This thing connects directly to a specific game. It checks compatibility, syncs logic, prepares the layouts. And that sync is key, because without it, the assistant can't generate anything relevant. Once that finishes, I enter a one-time activation code. Nothing fancy, just a starter code to verify that you're initiating a session. And then, we're in. Now I switch over to the game. I won't name it. You know what I'm talking about. There's a field where I can enter a code. Yes, now is the moment I use the promo code I mentioned earlier. I enter it, and it works. But here's the thing, it's limited. One-time use. So if you're fast, great. If not, it's already gone. That's how it works. After that, the assistant syncs itself fully with the game interface. I tap the first option. It sends a layout. It's clean, just a visual grid with specific points to follow. I open the game and carefully repeat what I see. No rush, just logic and matching. I go back, tap again, second layout, same pattern. Focus, attention, repeat. Then the third one, still smooth. No bugs, no reloads, everything consistent. Now the interesting part. After 3 layouts, the assistant asks, "Do you want to unlock unlimited mode?" This is where the fun begins. It offers continuous layouts, faster interaction, and no more pauses between steps. To unlock it, I go back into the same system, no external steps, and follow a familiar process. After that, I get confirmation. Extended mode enabled. From that point on, the rhythm changes. Layouts arrive immediately. No delay, no reset. I just tap, receive, act. I go through 3 or 4 more rounds like that. At this point, I'm just flowing. The game, the assistant, everything's in sync. What's really surprising is the consistency. There's no crashing, no double messages, no skipped layouts. The assistant responds in real time, and the logic it gives is always clear. And by the way, this isn't AI magic. It's not guessing. It's a pre-mapped structure that reacts to the session state. Once I feel the session's done, I head back to the assistant. Everything's tracked. The session has a clear start and finish. Nothing messy, nothing confusing. And yeah, about that promo code, it was real. I used it. But only the fastest people got it. No links, no ads, no wallet stuff. Just a tool I tested because I wanted to see how it works. And honestly, one of the more stable setups I've tested lately, especially for something that runs entirely inside a messenger. If you decide to explore anything like this, don't rush. Read everything. Click carefully. Test things for yourself. That's what I do. That's why I make videos like this.